might see from all our shirts, we're going to the baseball today. There was a tornado warning earlier today. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. This is part 2 of a 2-part video that I'm doing about my time in Michigan. I'm currently here from Australia, traveling on holiday. It is day 6 today. I'm currently in our room that we've been staying in. On the agenda today is we're going to go see the lake, which is like literally right near where they live, which is awesome and it's so beautiful. This morning...
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Siri thinks I'm talking to them. No, I'm not. This morning we went for a walk with Grandma, which was really nice. It's currently 23 degrees. That's Celsius. Hope you enjoy this video. Do some fireworks, and these are the fireworks that we've got. A fish one and some other ones here. Oh wow, the mouth! Hello guys, it's way later. It's actually almost 12 o'clock at night and I'm about to head to bed. Today was really fun. You would have seen we did a celebration for 4th of July. 4th of July is not until like a week, but Bryn's family wanted to do a little celebration while we're here 4th of July, so it was really nice. We had like a potluck and a couple of families in the neighborhood came over and we did some fireworks, which is really cool because fireworks are actually illegal in Australia. You're not allowed to set them off. It's cool that you can set fireworks off in America. Love that. I'm gonna head to bed now. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun day because we're going to the zoo. It's gonna be cool. So stick around to see that and I'll chat to you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, it is day 7 today. We're heading to the zoo. But first we're getting Anzac biscuits at Emmy's Kitchen here in Michigan. Let's see if they live up to the hype of an Australian biscuit. What do you think, Shoshana?
I love them.
Tastes like Anzac biscuits?
Where are we? Emmy's Kitchen, and we'll drop an address here for you to come here and visit.
These are called Anzac biscuits and they're very Australian.
And the guy who makes them is a real Australian here in Michigan, so
you know they're good. So we just got to Toledo Zoo. Toledo is actually in Ohio, so we actually crossed the border to come here, which is really cool. Beautiful.
Butterfly princess.
A pig, a rat, and a dog. Yeah, they're like pig ears. Maybe rat pigs actually.
Here's our car park and look how close these guys are. They're having a kiss. So we just had dinner at the Dirty Bird. It's in Toledo and it was really good.
So you gotta get it.
Hey guys, it's the next day. It's day 8 today. We stayed up till 3 AM last night playing Risk and the game is still sitting there because we didn't finish it, so we might finish it later today. So it's a little bit later. We had lunch / breakfast because we woke up so late this morning. Grandma made us some really nice eggs and pancakes, which was so lovely. But now Daryl and I are going to make a little YouTube video on all the gear we use. when we do YouTube videos and stuff, because my father-in-law Daryl has a YouTube channel as well. I'll link it down below for you. Yes, we're gonna make a little video. I think the video will be posted on his account, so if you wanted to watch that, go check out his account. Braid is just currently in his element setting up all the lights and cameras. I'll show you. There he is. Got a light, got the camera here, and we're gonna probably be seated there on those two chairs. The filming went really well. It was really fun to make. It's a bit later now and we're actually heading out to dinner, and we're gonna get Mexican food, which is exciting. I freaking love Mexican food, and I feel like America has the best Mexican food as well because they're so close to Mexico. Kind of like how Australia has really good Chinese food and like Asian food because we're close to Asia, so I can't wait.
Non-alcoholic virgin one, if you want. Up to you. Braid gained 16 kilos. That's so big. Pretty big a table. Is this just your dinner? I mean,
Not ours.
maybe it's. Oh yes. I don't know how to eat this. So I'll sleeves up, I guess.
Sleeves up.
And I was lost. I didn't know where this house was. It says this girl pulled up and she had a letter for Dakota. I said, hey, that's my daughter.
Dakota.
We just got back from dinner. It was so good. That Mexican place was like amazing. If they have that near you, definitely go. I'm not sure if it's like a chain restaurant or what, but it was delicious and they presented it really well as well. Also, as we were driving back home, there was a huge storm, which I captured some of the footage on the camera. So if you see those flashes, it was all lightning. I've never seen lightning like that before, but yeah, apparently there was a tornado warning earlier today, but that has gone away. So there's no tornadoes. That's crazy because that's something that we don't really have to worry about in Australia is tornadoes. But currently down in the basement, we're gonna either watch Obi-Wan Kenobi or we're gonna finish our game of Risk that we were playing last night. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's gonna be a pretty chill night, and I'll see you guys in the morning tomorrow.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, good morning guys. It is day 9 today, I think. I've obviously just had a shower, just washed my hair, gotten changed, and we're just gonna eat something. And we're actually gonna have Eggos. I've been wanting to try these since I watched Stranger Things, so we're gonna have them today, which is exciting. Let me know if you like Eggos. I'm wondering what they taste like. I guess they're just waffles, right? But let's try it. So we're going to try Eggos for the first time. We're going to taste test it for you.
And then see if it makes your jeans tighter at the end.
Yeah, probably will.
Let's see if it gives us superpowers. Like, yeah.
I would give these a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yep. For like the effort to make, how easy they were to make, plus they taste good.
Yeah, I agree. I think that pancakes and waffles are just an excuse to eat syrup.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go to IHOP tomorrow and we'll see how that compares to Eggos.
So I'm just getting ready for the day. I ran out of eyebrow pencils, so I'm just using this eyeshadow, which I think is okay, but yeah, I need to get some more. So we're going to a little town nearby. It starts with T, but I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But yeah, we're going there and we're going to explore, which is going to be really fun. Last night we stayed up until like 2:30 a.m. again playing Risk, and no one's won yet. So I think we're going to have to either continue today or, you know, do something later. So let's hope tonight's not a late night. Some Australian candy. Got some flakes, Oreos, Mars bars, Turkish delights.
Actually, Cadbury
This
Walkers.
is so good. Breathe one of these every day.
So we just got 99-cent hot dogs. How cheap is that? Enjoy it. Like it, Shoshana? Action shots of people eating.
So I got this yo-yo, apparently it's the original world's #1, so let's have a look and see what it's like.
So we got home from a place that starts with T. I'll put the name on the screen. But we've just been playing Risk for the past like hour. And the game's still going, so it's gonna be a long one. We'll probably end up playing it tonight until 3 AM again. Who knows? Anyways, we're off to dinner. We're gonna get pizza, I think, so. Guys, so you might see from all our shirts that we're going to the baseball today. Woo. The Detroit Tigers are playing against the Sox.
The White Sox.
White Sox. We're obviously in Detroit, so we're wearing these ones, and it's gonna be a fun game. We're excited. Have you been to a baseball match before? Exciting. Yeah, it's gonna be an experience. We're gonna head to IHOP first. I've never been to IHOP before. That will be fun, and then I'll be vlogging most of it, so I hope you enjoy. Hello, Pebbles.
And it's every single
So I can't even access 7 news articles.
We've just arrived at IHOP. Let's eat some pancakes.
Oh, that's the part I need to get.
Just getting all the B-roll shots. What did you get, Brayden?
Pancakes. She's gonna get me some more butter though, because it fell off.
Right. What did you get,
I
Daryl?
got an omelette, a chicken fajita omelette, chicken, eggs, and fajitas stuff.
And Shoshana just got some potatoes. Nah, her meal's coming still.
Glasses and
Brayden.
I'm a Spiro.
I don't know if you can hear me, but we just got into the game. But I couldn't bring my tripod in for my camera, so Daryl's gone back to the car to put it in the car. But we're here now.
So loud.
Here at the game, it's really hot. It's like 35 degrees Celsius and we're dying, but it's fun.
One, two, three, strikes you're out.
Can you see the scoreboard? 0, 0, 0, 0. videos before. So we're just walking back to the car. Everyone's like dying of heat because it's so hot. Yeah. It's like we're back in Australia. But yeah, the Tigers lost. Like they didn't get any points, which is fun. But yeah, we're just walking past and through Detroit, and it's a really cool city. If you live here, let me know in the comments, because yeah, it's really cool city. Anyways,
35 bloody degrees Celsius.
oh yeah.
Just watching me walking to a pole. We won't say this.
Someone behind the scenes, and he's like,
He first trips over this plant and then bashes into the bowl. Anyways, we're heading back to the car and then we're gonna head to Chick-fil-A. That's the weather.
35 degrees
35
Celsius.
degrees Celsius. You see the sweat on my face? Yeah. So we just walked into this random hospital because Chick-fil-A is here. So we're gonna have some Chick-fil-A. What's this one called, Shoshana?
Chick-fil-A Deluxe.
Chick-fil-A Deluxe.
Is mine the spicy one? Not spicy.
Spicy one?
It's good though.
Yeah. It's not like it's a good one either.
See that river right there? That's the border between America and Canada. Pretty cool. We just got back home a little while ago. Actually, I've just had a shower, obviously, because my shirt is so wet. But we're actually going to do some fireworks. I'll show you what we got. I did vlog when we went to the firework place, but I'm not sure if I showed you what we actually got. So there's this like pirate version one. It's got shipwrecked in it. And it says it's got 25 shots. We saw a video of it and it looked like it was really cool. Like it went up in the air and stuff. We've got these super snaps as well. They look like this. I think you just throw these on the ground and then they burst. Oh, that's where you freaking... That's where you bought. There's also this big bad boy called Payday. And there's the fuse. Cool.
Alright, let's get
It's almost 10 o'clock at night and it's still 27 degrees.
Whoa, freaking hot, hey.
So hot.
Where do you want to do it?
Oh my god. Wow. Very cool. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow, that was so cool.
Any fires? I'm scared for the Payday one now.
Yeah.
That was intense.
So I just finished editing this video and I just want to quickly acknowledge and thank my Michigan family for having us. We had the absolute best time. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you guys in my next one.